chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game.
You guys would just come along with me and see what I do.
No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Kayla if you don't know me, but now you do. Today's vlog is gonna be a whole thing of maintenance, just straight maintenance. This is my birthday maintenance, so you guys will see get my nails done, hair done, lashes done, all that. I might as well get my nails done right now. We're at Subway, so I'm in the bathroom. And yeah, I'm gonna wait till my nail appointment. I'm about to eat really quickly, and then I'll see y'all when I get there.
I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season.
Okay guys, I just made it back home. I look kind of crazy. My mascara is running. I have 2 pimples on my forehead that I need to pop. Yeah, we looking a mess right now, but everything's gonna come together real freaking soon. I did tell y'all I got my nails done. So y'all seen a few little clips. Me getting my nails done. Do y'all like the birthday nails? Yeah. She iced real bad. Not gonna lie. She iced. My next appointment will be Wednesday. It'll be my lash appointment, so I will not have lashes on tomorrow. And yeah, I will see you guys then. But yeah, these are the nails. That was it for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so we're on the way to my lash appointment. We're at Steak and Shake right now. I don't think I'm gonna be able to record. It's so loud. I don't think I'm gonna be able to record me getting my lashes done, but
Okay, thank you.
I'll show y'all after. Oh, look at my face. But yeah, I will see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so it's been a day since I got my lashes done. Sorry if you hear this heater in the background. Hold on, let me turn this off. It's been a day since I got my lashes done. Here's how they look. They're so tea. I love them. I don't know if I showed y'all when I was at the place, but yeah, these are the lashes. Real tea. I do get my hair done, my hair and my toes done tomorrow, so I will be filming that. I couldn't film me getting my lashes done because I didn't want her to mess up, and I was asleep, and I get so anxious having to ask, like, oh, can I record? Y'all, I can't do it. So tomorrow when I get my hair done, I'll record, and then when I get my toes done, I'll record. But yeah, I just want to update y'all. I have one more day. What's today? Thursday? I have one more day until the party. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to record like prep for the party or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna go take my hair out right now and wash my hair. And yeah, just wait and see. Just wait and see. Okay, I just got finished with my toe appointment. I'm on the way to my hair appointment. I'm really freaking late. Let's hope and pray she doesn't cancel on me, because today is not the day. Today is not the day. I look crazy, but yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to my hair appointment.
Shorty night, write all the notes that I know you like. You know I'm a pro and I'm on the mic. We already here, so turn off the lights. Yeah, you had a lot to say. No more talking, you can use that mouth in other ways. Cause I want it now. I want it now. Now, and I won't say it again. Oh, you know I don't get naughty for anybody. I won't say it again. Even though this ain't the first time I've said it one time.
Okay, I'm at the mall right now. Today is the next day. Today is the day of the party. I'm about to get my makeup done, and yeah, I couldn't record last night because we got to the hotel at like 3 o'clock in the morning, so I couldn't do that. But yeah, I'm about to sit and wait, and you guys would just come along with me and see what I do, because I'm so unorganized right now. Hey guys, that video was recorded last week. The video was not finished. I got distracted and forgot to record the rest of the maintenance vlog and the prep of the party and everything, but I did have a good time. If you want to see pictures, you can go on my Instagram. I'll put it right here. And yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't end the video off correctly, but I hope you guys did enjoy this maintenance vlog, and I'm gonna try to get more videos out to you guys because I have been slacking. But yeah, kisses, love you so much. See you later.